evening, and Elkhart has landed a big contract with a foreign company. Bond Technologies uses a state-of-the-art welding technology that will help store nuclear fuel in Finland. Now, new at 5, WSBT 22's Ed Ernstis reports the local company was the only one in the U.S. asked to bid on the contract.
It was a year in the making, but Bond Technologies in Elkhart landed the contract. They designed a state-of-the-art welding machine for a Finnish company, similar to this one, that the company will use to help with the disposal of spent nuclear fuel in Finland.
Yes, it is a big win for us to be able to convince a company like that we are able to do the job, not only to engineer it, but then to build it.
The machine they designed will be used to weld lids on nuclear waste containers for the permanent disposal of spent nuclear fuel in Finland. It's called a friction stir welding machine, which welds the lids on the storage canisters without causing fumes or sparks.
Using frictional heat to warm material to the point where it becomes plastic, that is, it becomes like putty or soft butter, and we stir a tool through the material to actually join two solid pieces into a single piece.
The welded canisters will go deep beneath the ground.
There's large copper canisters that store spent nuclear fuel, and then those canisters will be stored in the bedrock in Finland, and they'll be there for a lifetime of around 100,000 years.
Those with the company say the contract is a dream come true, considering the fact that they competed with an established Swedish company for the contract and the fact that they've only been in business 1 year.
This makes a huge difference for us as a company. As a startup, you can either languish or you can grow. This has enabled us to grow.
Definitely good for business. Ed Ernstis, WSBT 22 News.
The company currently has 8 employees. It plans to build the welding equipment and then take it to Finland. It'll oversee the installation and startup of that machinery.